Want to see my Gucci phone case?
Yeah, Gucci.
Thanks,
Gucci. What is he?
You broke.
So we started the day off right. We got to get Eric's Yamaha R1. Don't even know what it means, but we getting it.
Oh yeah, dude.
Dude, you look clean. Jesse,
Oh,
this is the new style. Oh! It's Flash. Where do you go? Oh! 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 Whoop! Jesse? Dang. Daddy? Well, hot damn.
Shit.
I can't get off.
Just put your leg over it, dude. Why do you have to get off like that?
No fall! Proud sponsor of Siggy's. Free cheeseburgers. Hot damn! Yeah, you ready?
Wait, wait.
So Eric finally got his bike. Hurry up!
Hurry up! Oh, Eric! Eric! Come on! Get your ass on the bike!
He's doing it! Alright. Push the clutch in. Put some gas. You can do it!
Oh, yeah.
There it goes. He's going. I don't know where he's going. Eric, wrong way.
Eric, you cannot get food now.
Eric, we're getting Siggy's later. Okay. All right. What the hell?
Eric, where you go? Come back. Eric! Get your ass back here!
We found Eric.
We found Eric. The red Ninja Turtle.
This will give you diabetes
tonight.
Chocolate is essential, people. Yes. A chocolate a day keeps the doctor away.
And herpes.
Dylan!
Why would I need Everlight underwear?
All right, guys, back to the
You don't notice you're
vlog.
wearing
Coach, everyone's here. Jesse.
Hey, hold on, hold on.
All right, Renee's got no. Renee.
Told you, chocolate's essential, dude. Take it wherever.
I legit had no idea he had that. That's disgusting.
Chocolate, you want some?
That's disgusting. It stinks. Look how bougie this is. I have a little like recliner seat here. Up,
Chocolate.
down,
Can you go get that?
up, down. Bad and bougie.
You guys want M&Ms in your popcorn?
I'm allergic, Coach.
I'm good.
You can't eat the regular M&Ms?
I'm
or
kidding,
the-
Coach. I just want to
Okay,
get it for the
you
vlog.
scared I was like, dang it, I did it again.
Josiah, anything to say? Bad bougie?
Yeah.
Good morning, guys. Back in the room. The movie was great, but my phone died, so I didn't record anything at the end of the night. Nothing was interesting anyway. The movie ended. We all fell asleep on the way home. But this morning already started off pretty crappy. So I forgot to do my laundry. We're editing the vlog. Eric's right there. And I only have 2 socks. One short, one long. So, what the hell do I do?
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Alright, we're about to find out. What the hell? Something looks messed up. They're not even the same brand. Maybe if we like... God, I'm gonna be sent home from work today.
People do that.
Yeah, if you, I'm supposed to be wearing black socks. I'm wearing white. That's good enough. What's up, cat? Ready for the day? No? Alright. So Eric left his bike at my house today because his mom doesn't know he just bought it. So he has to sneak it over to his house. What do you think your mom's gonna do? Beat your ass? Huh?
She hates it.
It's so clean though. I know earlier I didn't get a very good video of it because we were kind of messing around, but this thing's a beast. Hold start this thing. Wait, the left one's brake? That's what.
You got it?
We got the lunch. We got a car. Clock. Gotta do our handy dandy. Doot. Go in the car today. Start the day off right. Got work today, boys. Okay, no slacking. Okay, we had a few days for fun. Now it's time to go back to reality. Lifting people's luggages. Living the dream, guys. Living the Bellman dream. We here, guys. Employee parking only. You know what that means? VIP. Actually, I don't think this is employee parking. I just parked up here, so. Well, hot damn. Look at that. Looking good today. Hopefully we have a good, busy day. Hopefully a lot of people come in. Tip your boy. Tip your boy to Bellman. Huh. Today's my Monday. I got 5 more days, then we back on the weekend. But to start off any day, all right, you gotta have some smart water in your trunk, okay? Especially some Gatorade, you know? Some Gatorade, some smart water, your day's set. All right, guys, so already I can tell today's gonna be a good day. And some old Chex Mix, that's disgusting. We're not gonna talk about that. Shit. It's currently 1 a.m. I just got off. And it's Friday night, so the hotel was busy as hell. I'm exhausted. I'm tired of pushing luggage carts. I'm tired of picking up people's luggages. I'm not complaining, I'm just exhausted. Sometimes I wonder, like, what in the world do you guys put in your luggage? What in the world do you guys put in your suitcase? Like, you stay here for a day and you bring half the house. Like, usually when I go on vacation, you know, it takes, like, maybe, like, I'll bring a trash bag and, like, you know, a little backpack, and that's it. But here, I don't know. I don't know, guys. It's getting kind of suspicious. I'm not going to ask questions, but, you know, you guys are doing something funky, all right? And we going to find out. But not tonight because I'm exhausted. So, guys, I'm heading home. It was a nice vlog. It's kind of, you know, an all over the place vlog, but, you know, it's another vlog done. We're getting better at this. Thank you guys for sticking through, watching. I promise they're going to keep getting better and better. Remember, always have a great night. God bless. Peace out. And be safe.